As woodworking continues to grow in popularity among both professionals and hobbyists, the demand for efficient tools like jointer planer combos is on the rise. These machines save space while delivering smooth, precise, and perfectly even boards, essential for any serious wood project. In this guide,
List number 1. WEN-JT630H 10 amp 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer. The WEN-JT630H 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer is a powerful and precise tool for those who demand accuracy in every cut. Powered by a 10 amp motor, it rotates the cutter head at 12,000 RPM, ensuring ultra-smooth finishes even on hardwoods. The spiral cutter head design uses 12 staggered HSS blades that produce cleaner cuts with less noise and vibration than traditional straight knives. Its adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables make it easy to achieve perfectly flat surfaces, while the cast iron base ensures stability during heavy use. The fence tilts up to 45 degrees, allowing for bevel cuts and angled edges with precision. This jointer is ideal for small workshops and DIY enthusiasts who want professional-grade performance in a compact form. WEN's reliability, combined with its budget-friendly price, makes the JT630H one of the most versatile and cost-effective jointers on the market.
List number 2. Hotech 10-inch benchtop planer and jointer combo. The Hotech 10-inch benchtop planer and jointer combo offers the best of both worlds, precision jointing and accurate planing in a single, space-saving design. It's powered by a robust motor that delivers consistent power for flattening rough lumber and planing boards to uniform thickness. With its 10-inch cutting width, this combo machine accommodates wider boards than most competitors. The durable aluminum tables and adjustable fence provide smooth feeding and precise control. The planer section ensures consistent depth cuts, making it perfect for furniture makers and serious woodworkers alike. Its compact yet sturdy construction allows it to fit comfortably in smaller workshops without compromising performance. Ideal for those who want an efficient all-in-one woodworking tool, the Hotech combo stands out for its versatility, power, and value in the jointer planer category.
List number 3. Woodstarter 6-inch benchtop jointer with 15 amp motor. The Woodstarter 6-inch benchtop jointer is a heavy-duty performer built for both professionals and ambitious DIYers. Its 15 amp motor provides exceptional cutting power, making it capable of handling hardwoods with ease. The 2-knife cutter head delivers up to 20,000 cuts per minute, ensuring ultra-smooth, precise finishes. It features a large adjustable fence for jointing edges and beveling up to 45 degrees, giving users flexibility in shaping and smoothing boards. The aluminum table surface offers excellent material support, while the integrated dust collection port keeps your workspace clean. One of the highlights of this jointer is its ease of adjustment. From fence alignment to cutting depth, every component is built for precision. Compact yet powerful, the Woodstarter jointer is perfect for anyone seeking industry-grade performance in a benchtop design.
List number 4. Craftsman benchtop jointer, up to 22,000 cuts per minute. The Craftsman benchtop jointer is engineered for power, precision, and smooth performance. Capable of up to 22,000 cuts per minute, it effortlessly flattens and straightens even the toughest woods. Its variable speed range, 6,000 to 11,000 RPM, allows users to tailor the cutting performance for different material types. Equipped with a strong 10 amp motor, it provides consistent results, whether you're jointing soft pine or dense maple. The extra-wide 6-inch table and tilting fence enable accurate edge jointing and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Craftsman's durable build and easy adjustment knobs make this jointer a favorite among woodworking enthusiasts. It's portable, powerful, and ideal for workshops where precision and reliability matter most. If you're looking for a balance between performance and affordability, this jointer delivers on all fronts.
List number 5. Hotech 8-inch benchtop jointer and planer.
The Hotech 8-inch benchtop jointer and planer combines high-end performance with a space-saving footprint, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. With an 8-inch cutting width, it's perfect for handling a variety of wood sizes. The powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent cuts while minimizing snipe and tear out. Its dual-function design lets you switch easily between planing and jointing, saving time and workspace. The adjustable in-feed, out-feed tables and sturdy fence deliver superior accuracy, while the integrated dust collection system keeps debris under control. Built from heavy-duty materials, this Hotech model guarantees stability and long-term reliability. Whether you're flattening rough boards or preparing precise joints, this combo machine provides outstanding power, accuracy, and value, a must-have for any serious woodworker's toolkit.